What's going on, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I will be showing you this pretty nice antique brass SMC A52 ceiling fan. This is at my buddy Tori's house. It's a pretty cool fan. It actually fits the house very well. It's got a nice floral 5 light kit on it. It's in pretty good shape. Tori picked this up at the Evansville Habitat store a couple weeks ago, along with a couple Victorian Casablancas we also picked up. Here's a light. All right, we'll start it off on low. This fan looks really nice. I love it. It's got some pretty cool chains on it too.
Those my mom bought for me.
It's got a really nice aesthetic low speed.
You got a tiny bit of a wobble. That's because where in it was that Habitat, they had it sitting on the blades. So that kind of messed it up a little bit. But
There's medium.
it's a pretty good thing for this room though.
Actually looks really good in this room. Nice gentle breeze on medium. Now we'll go to high. Don't fly off the ceiling. Not really.
But it moves a lot of air.
It does.
Everything moving around. You got the porch angle.
Shakes a little bit, but not a whole lot. Definitely a good air mover.
It works pretty good on this room.
It does. What did you have up here before? I forget.
The U52 Hugger.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And then before that was that Hunter original knockoff that I got from Gabe.
I got a Winnower original knockoff, new in box. I gotta make a video on that sometime.
I think I was gonna get an Evergo one from somebody, but I don't know.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.